Good morning everybody, it's currently 7:25. Yay, I actually woke up. Today I actually like woke up no problem, like my brain was like sure, let's get out of bed. It was all good. I don't know why, but I'm here and I've got tea. I'm going to start at 7:30 and today is going to be a productive day. I'm feeling it today. I'm so far behind, I'm going to get back on track. Everything's going to be good. The first thing I'm doing, I had an epiphany in the shower last night as to how I can revise a farewell to arms. So I was watching a study with me that I did at Easter, which is actually kind of terrifying how much work I did in that, which is it's whatever. But basically I like wrote mind maps with all of my resources and I still can remember what's on those mind maps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of my notes that I wrote in the summer and all of the notes that I was making the other day and make just a massive Google Docs and just make headings and just put everything under the heading, like not in order, just put everything in one place. And then once I've done that, I can make a mind map for each topic and compare it to Gatsby, and that will be a revision of Gatsby whilst also making mind maps. Yes, so I'm going to do that first. That might take a while, but I'm going to do that first. I'm in a motivated mood. It's going to happen today. Watch this space. Oh, I forgot to say, yeah, I have a big spot brewing. What a surprise. Can you tell I'm stressed? So, that's why the pseudocreme's on the face. But got my dressing gown on, I've got a blanket on, I've got fluffy socks on. Just need to light my candle, I've got my tea, I've got the dog. Things are looking good. Hi guys, it's currently 10:50 and I finished doing 3 hours of that farewell to arms. I've nearly finished. I've only got 2 more books to do, like 2 more sections of the book to do, which is good. And then I can just start making the mind maps using my notes from my folder, and that way hopefully if I like research stuff as I'm going, like I should cover all bases of the book whilst also comparing it to Gatsby. So that's my plan between now and Mulks, is to finish those, and I think that that will be enough to revise for farewell to arms, which is good. This is what happens when I get up early. I'm just so much more productive. Like I've already done 3 hours. It's not even 11 o'clock, which is just so much better. So I'm going to spend 10 minutes replying to comments now because I uploaded a new video. And then after that, I'm going to do some vocab, because after doing something for 3 hours like that, I feel like I just need a bit of a, whoo, you know, like a transition. Everyone, so this is just starting to smear all over my face, so I'm going to take it off in a sec. But it's now 11:50. I've just finished 2 topics of vocab, so that's good, done, finished. I think we're going out for lunch at like 1. I'm going to go check now because my Nana Sue is here and we never ever get to see my Nana Sue, which is really sad. But we're going to the Panto tonight and we're going out together all evening, so I'm going to crack on with revision today and then spend the whole evening with her, so that's fine. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I'm going to go get a cup of tea, I'm going to go sort myself out, and then I'm going to do the quotes for the film that I study for German, because I basically put 80 of the key quotes on a Quizlet and I just have them in English and then I try and type them out in German, so hopefully I should be able to remember those. We shall see. This is actually savage. Like, excuse me, that's the same answer. Hello. Literally just because I put the double things. What? This is why Quizlet's annoying sometimes, I won't lie. Like, it is actually really annoying. Legit, what? Where is the difference? Can you see a difference? That's because there isn't one. Done the quote, guys. Wait, next thing to do is finish my Vorleser notes. I've only got 4 chapters left to do. Woo. I'm playing my 18th birthday playlist and I'm not gonna lie, it's an absolute bop, but it's 8 hours long and my birthday party is only 5 hours long, so that's sad. But look how many good songs there are. It's amazing. I have such an eclectic music taste that you go from Year 3000 to Busted by Just the Way You Are to Billy Joel. Pondy Replay. Can't stop playing everything on here, really, to be fair. So good. So good. Hi all, so it's currently 1:05, so I've just done 20 minutes of that, but I'm going to the pub for lunch now, as we always do on Sundays. So I'm gonna go put something on this, because ew. Then I'm gonna go have some food. I'll try and take a picture of it, because oh my god, it's so good. Every week it's just so good, like, so good. I love roast dinners. Hi guys, so I'm back. Just had some food. It's now 2:30. Well, more close to 20 to 3. Turns out we're going out at 4:30. I thought it was 6:30. So today's plans have basically gone down the shitter. But I'm gonna finish these notes. I'm gonna watch that Chaucer video that I wanted to watch. And then all that I didn't manage to do today was the context mind maps again. Jokes. And the quote cards, I think. Yeah, so I actually did most of the stuff I need to do today and I'll just do it tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to finish these Vorleser notes. I'm nearly finished. 2 more chapters to go. Finished for today, guys. Finished my Vorleser notes. Turns out we're going out in 10 minutes. So can I do a makeup, hair, outfit in 10 minutes? Find out on next week's episode of Eve is really bad at timekeeping. Wait, 10-minute makeup, hashtag 10-minute makeup challenge, hashtag Eve's foundation is way too yellow, hashtag everybody's waiting for me to have a makeup dress. Well, I'm so late, but this is what I'm wearing. It's this dress from New Look, which I got yesterday. It's like a velvet wrap dress, got it for £8 in sale. You can't really see it. It's a bit shit, but you know. Boots, tights, me, hey. With me coat from H&M. No, it's not, it's from Tesco. Sorry, lied. Cute, cute, cute. I don't know, who knows. Here we go. I've got to. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Sorry for the rush, but my parents are literally driving away right now, so I've got to go. Love you lot. See you tomorrow. Bye.
saw her